Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we help you master your device with ease. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to save Capcut video in galleries so you can share your hard work with the world. Now let's get started. Step 1, open Capcut app. Then you need to open your project by clicking on it directly from the main editing screen. This ensures you are inside the specific video file you want to save, allowing you to access all the final export settings. Step 2, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on the export button. This icon is the key to moving your project from the app's editing timeline and converting it into a final video file. Step 3, you must wait for the exporting process to finish completely without closing the app. This step is important because it allows the software to process your edits and encode the file directly onto your phone's storage. Step 4, once the process is 100% complete, open your gallery to find the video waiting for you. Now that the file is officially saved in your local folders, you can view it offline or upload it to any social media platform. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.